नहीं होता वो। जैसे अब स्कूल वगैरह बन रही है तो इसका मतलब ये थोड़ा कि भाई गुरुकुल नहीं है तो
नहीं, ये
मॉडर्न
अपना
टेक्नोलॉजी
एजुकेशन
क्या
सिस्टम है जो अभी भी हम वो ब्रिटिश का जो ये है वो यूज कर रहे हैं।
आई थिंक बॉम्बे में
और
चला
ये
है
बढ़िया चीज है, इससे
इंग्लिश
फायदा ही हो रहा है
तो
अपन को।
आजकल
इंडिया
इंग्लिश
का
सब्जेक्ट है ना, इंग्लिश
अरे
मीडियम नहीं।
बॉम्बे में आजकल ये
पूरा
नहीं
जो
बोलते कि हम 12th स्टैंडर्ड पास
सिस्टम
वी आर
है,
सेइंग
education
वी आर
system, वो use कर रहे हैं।
पास्ड आउट फ्रॉम हाई स्कूल
High
और हाई
school.
स्कूल कहां से उठा के
इंडिया
लाए
का
वेस्टर्न
है।
कल्चर।
Good morning to all. Today my debate topic is Indian culture and Western culture. I am in the favor of the Indian culture because of Indian culture is a diverse culture. We have seen India has a celebrated many festivals, or India has also take a priority not has on a take on a particular religions. It gave to a same priority to the all religions and also welcome to the all religions like Buddhism, Sikhs and Muslims. So it is not a particular religion country, or it is a diverse culture. We have seen many books like Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Hello everyone, this is Mahesh, and I think you said Indian culture is best because of its so many religion are in there in our country, but I think it's also in Western also. There are a lot of religions and faiths they believe in, and a main point I think it's about privacy and openness. In our Indian culture, there are limited privacy and a lot of foundation are in the cultures, but in the Western culture, the all people are their own and openness are in their cultures, and not a privacy issue also.
Your point is good.
As you told that we have foundations in our religion, so I want to tell you that it's a part of etiquettes and manners in our culture for women and children also. So it's a foundation, not a foundation, it's a parameter for them to how to connect with elder people, how to talk with them, and how to give respect with them. It's a big thing for them because the childrens are uh, their age is regularly growing. So if we give them etiquettes and manner in starting time, so they will get a good manner, they will be a good person in his entire life. So our religion teach to them from an early age.
I think you are running away the point. The point is foundation on Indian culture.
Yes, the foundations, because if you make some parameters from starting, so that's the good growth for them.
I don't think so. That's a good for them. The foundation is not the good. Everyone has a personal life.
What kind of foundations?
Foundations like the all mans and Indians, they just try to hold a woman. They don't give them independency.
Uh, yes, they have independency, but I think the men don't have to give them that much of freedom to interrupt between the older persons in the house, between their discussions. They have a limited uh, line, so a limited level, so they can give their uh, ideas to their elder women, and the elder women they can give the information to their family persons. So that's the way to discuss about their ideas. It's not a foundation.
You say about discipline and manners, but discipline and manners are better than India in at Western cultures. Discipline is better than India in Western culture.
In our culture, there are there were some gurukuls, as we all know, in which the small child will small child has to go in it by the family, sorry, by each family. There are the children have to go in gurukuls, so from early age the gurus teach them for their manners and all kind of knowledge. It might be in for wars, for knowledge, for
But
how to control the kingdom. All kind of all kind of information and the knowledge are provided by the gurus in the gurukuls.
but at the present we saw not all the parents are send their children to the gurukuls. They are sent to the best schools and private schools. They are coming from Western cultures in India. They are suggested to go in schools for Western culture.
Yes, they are coming from Western cultures to India because they already know India is well developed in kind of relations between their families, and they also know how to make relations between the family members and also with neighbors. As we see in Western cultures, the family is only about siblings, mother, father, and last to last we can say about uncle and aunt. But in our Indian religion, there are a joint family in which there are mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, siblings also, and uncle, aunt, and in we also say tauji. It's a huge
So
family.
it depends on how family grow. It's not depend on how family, like if a small family who don't have grandmother grandfather, you can't say that like they don't have a grandfather grandmother. It's a depend on family. If they are a joint family or they are a like a short family or a very big family, you
Yes,
can't say like that.
if you have or if we have grandfathers or elder persons in our family, so they will teach us their experiences and their knowledge, so it gives more make a good child for in knowledge also, and how to be a good person in their family and how to handle the responsibilities for their family in his young age.
But I think nowadays it's not a reality. You talking about an ancient times. It's not a Indian culture. It's a Sanatan cultures. But if we talk about current situations, there are many religion in our countries like Muslims and other religions also. So it's we talking about current situations, and nowadays we think I think there are no disciplines like you said about garbage systems in they spare all around their neighbors garbage, and in Western culture they have a discipline to maintain their cities, their neighborhood to clean, but in our countries there are no.
You, your point is toward the cleanness. It is only based on the mind thinking, because as we India, as it is not a big country, but is according to the area wise, its population is around 140 crore.
India is a developing country, and currently there are many cities, many states are well developed and well cleaned also. Like if I can say about Noida, Singapore, Bangalore, uh,
Singapore is not
You can't count
sorry,
Singapore in India.
Bangalore, and in Gujarat we can say Gandhinagar. If you go these side of cities, it these are well developed, and
but they
also
are not clean.
have you visited there?
Yes, I visit a lot of cities.
These are well developed IT sector companies where the uh, corporate develop their structures and make the city clean.
But I think you just said a small amount of cities or states. There are a lot of Western cultures who just clean their cities and state.
And
Yeah,
you
whole country are
talk
clean.
about a part of a city also. IT center is also a part of a small part of a city. If you talk about Bangalore, IT sector is a part of a cities, and they also have a Western culture. You say that if you visit the Bangalore, then you feel like it's not India. The culture wise,
It's
they,
not
they they adopt a culture, Western culture. That's why they are clean also, I think.
so okay.
Like
So
according
in
the
Rajasthan, currently we are in Jaipur, so you can check the ancient places and ancient structures. They are well developed and they properly managed by the government schemes and well cleaned also. Name any city which is not made clean or not developed by the government. Any state or any city.
It's a part of government, not cultural. If you want to talk about culture,
So you are saying that
you have to
Indian
visit,
culture
you have
makes
to
the
need to search your
dirtiness in our country.
neighborhood. If you visit your neighborhood, you said that you feel like there is a garbage in your neighborhood. People's
You notice,
are
you notice because in the foreign nations have a big technology to settle their garbage. So India as not at as we have seen, India was also making the
but
road for the garbage, also
if
make the flyover
if
to
it's a
settle them.
if it's a part of our culture, then that means a particular persons we have to say, we have to put our garbage to a particular uh, dustbin also.
The
But the peoples in
let's
India
get back to the point. It's a
throw
debate
throw
between
the
Western culture and Indian culture.
its cleanliness is part of culture. That's
In Western cultures, they invented their clothes for only specific places, like they wearing their clothes only in party and in clubs and etc. But in Indian cultures, our generation, they adapted and they wearing all of them anywhere they are, they wear and go to market and anywhere. But this is only invented for only specific places. This is the fault of our generation, not the part of culture.
According to me, I have even seen many hyper cities like Bangalore, Chandigarh, and Pune. Many in IT companies, many 80% of projects from West, I mean, foreign projects, and that employees have um, adopt according to foreign culture and just
So can you explain if someone is working in big company and big city, so how is explaining, yeah, or how can we say that it is a Western culture?
Is also adapting a Western culture, like they are just adapting their time management also. Like in IT companies, they are also just adapting the time schedule. Like first we in Indian culture we work like Monday to Saturday, but now we are just working Monday to Friday.
But they are the proper dress code to our IT sectors and other companies to have rules and regulation to your uniform and come to proper time in this IT sector and other companies.
The timings are uh, for comfortability of the employee, for their making work more progressive and not being not to do work in pressure. So that's why the time is was adopted from the from Western culture, because it's a BPO sector. We can say it's a MNC of international process. So we have to work according to their time, because Western culture have more developed in their IT field. But if in India we are working for it for MNC, so we have to work according to their day shifts, uh, because most of the inquiry comes in their daytime, and we have to resolve in our country for in our 12 hours. We are in 12 hours forward from them. Like if there is a time of day, so we have to resolve this issue in currently in night. like in PM or in evening. Just the timing for the employee to conclude their issues, not for the we are adopting the time. We are making the time management for their comfortability.
Other point toward the dressing codes, because of this all the people having the same dressing codes, they have feel they are at the equal level, because many peoples are work, they are not purchase more more dresses or wear everyday new dresses. So I think dressing code is not coming from the western culture, it is also having seen the gurukuls, all the childrens are coming the same dressing codes, or we as we compare from the like the patanjali, like the yoga, western culture have also adapted the yoga in many yoga countries, or
They are also
international yoga day is also celebrated in
adopting the Indian culture for their like religions, festivals, their dressing codes also, and for their worships also of gods. Like there is a hype for Lord Krishna.
So I have a major question from you. How many gurukuls in India and how many Cambridge schools and English medium schools in India?
There are
at the note at present there is,
Yes.
I think there is a no gurukul here, but
So
there is
why
developing again in
but
UP
for a
state.
developing we have the
The
school.
gurukuls are again developing because to get back that type of knowledge of like ancient we can say books and ancient are
it is past reality and no, not in our current situation. We, if we talk about current times,
yes
there are
because
more English
we are
medium and
Nay,
developing
it
our
is a
country
current
on the level of the whole world, so that's why we have to educate our children, educate our generation to that level to compete with our world to
so
make the
so we have to
to
say
make our
And
country at
also
that
we
level of
give
it.
priority to English.
Yes,
so we have to send them
because
English medium
English
schools
is
and
a world
English is
language.
also
You can
adapted from
communicate in
Western.
all over world with the English language. That's why the
it's not about
parents are
it's not about only English, not about language, it's about also culture. We adopt their education systems, not only language. We teach our children in schools like western culture.
we think we say ki in the ancient time children were in the gurukul in the heart, because for a developing our nations we need to build our schools, or at we have seen at the present government have also added the ancients, like the when we have the go to the schools, yoga are held, yoga are and
Do you know we
government
our
have also included the syllabus like the vedic ayurvedic knowledge.
where
so
I
many government schools updated by currently many government schools also afflicted by CBSE board and government also adopt their culture and their
currently government schools are getting affiliated by RBSC and also getting Mahatma Gandhi because they are also trying to teach English medium to the students in at lower fees for for poor children to make them more educated at the level of private schools. So the government tried to make all government schools is Mahatma Gandhi is it's a scheme of government.
yes. So why I adopt Mahatma Gandhi schools in India?
do you know we
It's
Yeah.
not adopted, it's already by government because to make children educated and also to compete in this current time of India, because India is also want to
So you
do,
agree without Western cultures, Indian students are not educated properly?
what English is a Western culture.
Yes.
It's
I
a
think we are
language for
just
to
again
communicate,
But
it's a language is to
we are
communicate, and in Western culture also people are trying to study about Sanskrit language and try to read books of Indian religious in their own Sanskrit language.
so why
They
government
are
are not started gurukuls?
they are they
They are
already
they are
started after British rule. The most of the gurukuls are got destroyed by them, So that's why Britishers also tried to
British had gone about
Britishers also tried to
75 years
develop
ago.
their kingdom in India, but thank great for our freedom fighters who make our country freedom, and that's why currently we are got freedom from it, and
So
we
we
are
have,
again
I
trying
think
to
that is the
develop
good
Indian
thing.
culture in our country.
I think that is the
Freedom
good
is
thing
not
that
a
we
part
get.
of culture.
I think that is a good thing that we
After
get.
freedom, we are again trying to develop our culture, Indian culture in our country.
so
We
it's
also try
75
to
years.
make
It's
the ancient things again develop, and again we are trying to make them safe to make children educated about our ancients and about our kingdoms and what Gurukuls are still developing day by day. It's not a
so
work you can day in. It's not a work you can do in one day. Yeah, it takes time. Yes, because they are developed. Because
can you just
I think you guys all are stuck on a education system. You guys not talking about a culture system right now. We are just out of the track. We are not in the track. So I am talking about the culture thing. The Western culture people who made us so many things, and they are just one generation ahead of us because of they rule on us. That's why they just one generation ahead. Because of that, the Indian culture is very like very back from them, very back from them. And in Western culture,
we are not
and in Western culture,
backward. One generation we are
I'm talking about
complete.
things that Indians just adapt. Western cultures, they are making so many movies, so many industry things that Indian culture are also adapting them. Western cultures have so many religious things that Indian culture also adapting them.
Uh, Give me example that religious thing Indian
Okay.
culture is adapting.
Okay, in Western culture, there is a Thanksgiving situation on every Friday. You can search it on Google. Indian culture is also adapting this.
And what kind of thing is in
That
it?
is that everyone meet in a particular place or a particular house, and Indian peoples are also doing that on a particular Friday. That they are also meeting their friends or family, and they make their happy Thanksgiving.
you can
We
also
we already have our society in which our elders have a separate uh, part of it. They also meet every evening in a day, and also conclude their whole day of information, and whole day how their day has been passed. So we have already have that type of culture. Our women's also meet after a day. They have a small conference between them, and as we know, children are in
So-
school, so they have a particular time to meet each other. And what kind of Thanksgiving? We have a society, we have friends, we have relations, we have members. We are working for each other to develop each other, to help each other. So we also uh, try to develop everyone in our family also, and also we try to take care of our neighbors. So it's a responsibility of our and our neighbors.
But they just learned from a Western culture. That's it.
That's not a Western culture. We already make a society in which our elders, our grandparents make a conference in evening at every day, not only on Friday in a week, at every day.
so why we celebrate their festivals like
Which festival?
Christmas and
Yes, every
The
Indian.
Christians in
Valentine's
India,
Day.
the Christians in India, they celebrate their festivals because they are Christians. We are Indians,
So I think the
we
Rose
celebrate
Day,
our festivals.
Valentine's Day, Daddy Day, they are not
They-
Indian
In
culture
USA,
things. They are
many
Western
people
culture
celebrate
things.
Diwali also.
Diwali also, because
In USA,
Diwali, Holi, currently
Because
the whole world,
the Indian people
the-
lives in USA, they don't live in Indian. That's why
The-
they make their make our festival in
the
USA.
minister of UK also celebrated Holi recently with public of United Kingdom,
Because
They
they want
also
to make
celebrated
because
Holi.
because
Not
they
only
want to make
Indians.
relation with Indians.
Yes,
That's why.
they are adopting the Indian culture, Indian festivals.
Not Indians.
They are trying to
Indians
all
people
about
live in
So
USA.
Indian culture are also adopting a Christmas things or a Valentine's things
Valentine's Day.
So it's a they are
because they are making relations good. That's why they are making them, right?
so that's why the Indians have more festivals and relations than the Western culture. Every month we have a particular festival, or we can say day, or we can also say Jayantis or of our great people. So we celebrate every month. We have a particular uh, festival of a period of time like Navratras of 9 days. In that we are we are worshipping of Lord Durga and many more gods. So and currently it's a hype of Lord Krishna. So in that Western culture persons, people are also coming in India to make worship of Lord Krishna and to understand their uh,
I think you are talking about Jewish peoples, you are not talking about Western peoples.
And it's about
Jewish
every
people
person
are hyping up a Krishnas, not
every
Western
person
peoples.
there is a
Western
ISKCON
peoples,
temple, is developed by the Western country in our uh, state and in city also.
ISKCON temple is a only business of
Yes,
Western
why?
person.
But why?
But
Because
they
they
are
try to
this is
they
a
think the
business.
Indian
This is
culture,
the business. This
they
is not a
the
culture.
person, the people of India, they have a huge believed in God, so they must be getting profit by the Indians because it's a hype, and
can,
they are
can,
also getting a business. They are also getting profit
could,
from
could you
Indians
listen?
because they know it's a very great hype of Lord
Could you listen
Krishna.
to me just
Yes.
first of all? It's a vice versa situations.
Basic example and simple example. We all are using a calendar. This calendar is also adopted from Western culture. Our Indian calendar is different, and we are using a Western
The
calendar.
sessions of the schools and every field are started according to Indian months, like in April. Why they do not start in January? Why they start every session in April?
but why we not making New Year on 31st? Why?
31st. 1
We
January.
also make New Year as a Navratri, in which we start in from 3rd or 4th April.
How many people celebrate
It's
New
not
Year
a
on
particular
Hindu,
count.
as a Hindu
It's
calendar.
not a particular count. It's a think about the. It's a thinking of the persons of every religion. If they want to celebrate the Christmas, they can celebrate. If they also want to celebrate any Indian festival, they can celebrate
I think
because it's
Indians
a
just want
freedom
to
in our
compete with
country.
Western culture.
It's
That's
a
why they
freedom
make
in our
their Happy New Year
country.
on 31st.
mostly people are adapted
Yes,
Western cultures and
and in India, most of the
they are celebrated
in
New Year
India,
at 1st Jan.
the whole country celebrate Navratra from April because they know the new year started according to Indian calendar.
I think in Indian culture, people are adapting Western culture, and that is a good thing. That is not the bad thing that they are adapting. In India culture, they are, I know, very like vast festivals or something like that. In Western culture, they have also a very good things or good rituals they are doing. So I think both good in their cultures. They don't have to inter. They don't have to interfere in their cultures. They both are good at their place.